Hi, good morning. Another day, another surgery. Now, I am here at Cellport, Philippines. No? Cellport, Philippines is a stem cell clinic. No? Diyan po natin ginagawa yung ating regenerative medicine. No? Stem cell and PRP treatment. No? Any regenerative treatment, dito po natin ginagawa. So today, I'll be doing a PRP treatment for the knees. No? PRP is a platelet-rich plasma. Ano po ba yung platelet-rich plasma? No? Yung plasma po yan is we get it from the blood. Kukunan ng dugo, we get the plasma, we process it, then we inject it. No? Ini-inject natin dun sa tuhod. No? For knee pains, for osteoarthritis. No? Meron po kasi tayong mga pasyente na sumasakit yung mga tuhod, lalo na po yung medyo umiidad ng konti. No? So, we do PRP treatment para sa kanila. No? So, PRP treatment actually is not for everybody. No? Hindi po yan, basta sumakit ang tuhod ninyo, you inject PRP. No? Dapat po yan, hindi pa po nag-fuse yung inyong tuhod. No, yung knee joint, dapat po yan may space pa para po we can inject the PRP. Pag duktong na po, hindi na po tayo pwede mag-inject ng PRP. Usually surgical na po yan. No? So lahat po ng patients ko na for knee treatment, lahat po yan pinapa-x-ray muna natin. No? Because we don't want to sell dreams. No? Baka sabihin nila hindi naman nag-i-improve. Kasi po, baka dahil masyado ng maliit yung space. So now, okay po yung knee ng pasyente. Nakita ko po yung x-ray. So, we will do the PRP treatment. Nakuhanan ko na po siya ng dugo. Pinaprocess na po yung kanyang blood. So, we'll get the PRP later. Then, we're going to inject it sa kanya. No? So, ito po, at Cellport, Philippines. If you want stem cell treatment, regenerative medicine treatment, meron po tayo rito at Cellport, Philippines. Another day, another surgery. Dito po si Mami after PRP treatment. Nagpapahinga na po siya. So, wala naman pong restrictions after PRP injections sa knees. Hindi na po pwedeng uminom ng pain reliever. Hindi po natin pinapayagan yan. No? So, babalik po si Mami after 3 to 4 weeks. That is the lifespan of a platelet. So, usually 1 month, 4 weeks. So that's it.
Thank you.
So, ayan.